guys, my name is Brittany. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I'm going to clean and declutter underneath the sink in my kitchen. And I'm very excited about this because this is a space that I use multiple times a day because I'm always washing dishes, I'm always cleaning the counters and all those things. So I'm so excited because I really need it to be organized so it makes cleaning easier. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that today, but I'm also going to make this a series. I'm going to start with the kitchen, then I'm going to move on to organizing the pantry, then I want to organize the cabinets in the kitchen, and then, I keep saying and then, but it's going to be and then because I'm going to do the whole house. And me making videos and putting it on video and you guys waiting for the series is going to motivate me because I'm like, oh my gosh, they want to see this, so I got to get it done. And this is going to help me out, and this is also going to hopefully motivate you to do this as well, because 2020, we've just been home. We've been home and we have some time, so I'm going to take advantage of this time and get this house organized. So if you want to see how I organize and declutter my whole house, please subscribe. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of work, but I feel like it'll be worth it in the end. So, all right, let's get started. All right, so to get started, we're just going to remove everything underneath the kitchen sink. Okay, so I just want to mention that I know my cabinets look really busted. We had some demo happen right here. We added in a farmhouse sink, so we had to modify the cabinets a little bit, but now we're trying to figure out if we want to repaint our cabinets, what color, if we're going to do them ourselves. We don't know yet, so that's why they look really busted. Just thought I should mention that real quick. So now I'm going to add this crate in, and I found it at the Container Store, so that's going to hold all my cleaning supplies. And this one here is going to hold all of my kitchen towels. Now I'm just going to add in all of the cleaning supplies that I use daily. All the other cleaning supplies that I don't use often, I'm just going to add those into the utilities closet. So now I'm just going to organize the cleaning supplies and put the ones that I use most often in the front and then not so often in the back. So now it's just going to be all about where should I put these items? Do I use them often? Do I not? And I started to put these two here, but I didn't feel like they needed to be here because I don't use them every single day, but I still need them in the kitchen. So I'll show you what I do with those in a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in my microfiber towels and my hand towels. Before I had two separate bins for these and it was just getting all over the place, but now I'm so happy I have this big one here so I can just put both of them together and keep it simple and organized. I actually found a couple more things that I forgot to add into the crate, so I'm just going to add those back in there. And now this is how it is turning out so far. Alright, so now I'm just going to reuse this basket that I had before, but I'm just going to add in things that I don't use very often but still need them in the kitchen, and it fit perfectly right in this little corner. Alright guys, and this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? I'm really loving it. I love that everything has its own section. This is going to make it easier to keep everything nice and clean and organized. Alright guys, and that is how I organized underneath my sink. It took me about 30 minutes or so. So let me know if this inspired you guys to organize underneath your sink as well, and send me pictures on Instagram. And also subscribe because this is going to be a series and we're just going to organize piece by piece so we're not getting overwhelmed by one whole video, and that would be super overwhelming for me as well. So subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!